Water sign energy is very significant in this reading. Someone is very attracted to you, they're falling in love with you. However, this person has a difficult time falling in love, to the point where they are literally holding themselves back from coming forward to you, even though they want to. You've been going back and forth with this person for a while. For some of you, smiles, glances, and for others, you've been dating. It's all through fear. Fear of commitment, fear of being let down and hurt through that commitment. Ooh. Right, so they're heavily stalking you, they're watching you, they have a very, very high interest in you. What do we have here? Sorrow and pain. This person, and it does feel like that as well, this person has really been through it. I don't feel you know the extent. This could be childhood, but this actually feels quite recent. And I feel that they have loved and been really hurt through love. And I feel that we often feel that it's the woman or the feminine energy that gets really wounded because men will cheat more. But actually, this masculine has gone through a very, very strong breakup and a painful one, and his heart was broken, and he didn't know how to process that properly. I feel like still hasn't. And the fear that they have because of how much they want you is almost triggering them to how they felt, because when they was in love with this other person, they were brokenhearted and they never thought they'd fall in love again. And you remind them of that feeling because they are genuinely falling in love with you. But instead of this being a beautiful experience and that lovely experience of falling in love in your mind, body and heart, they are seeing it as triggering and as a way for you to reject them or hurt them or cheat on them. All of those things are coming up. This is someone who doesn't talk about their emotions. They're a very tough energy. They're very masculine. They come across like that, and they are really, really like that all through the layers. Don't think they're going to break down after a couple of conversations. It's not going to happen. Addiction came out as I was just shuffling there, and I feel like this person kind of fell into addiction, whatever way it was, in a way to cope with their emotions. And without you realizing it, actually you are a huge catalyst in them being free of that addiction. Whatever that addiction is, addiction comes in all shapes and sizes. And I don't think you realize this, or you may do, but you really helped them with that. The letter C is coming up as well, and spiritual is at the bottom. I feel like you're quite spiritual, so you're into your crystals, your moon, and you have a beautiful energetic aura, and they're very much attracted to that. You have a very healing aura because you're a very spiritual being. I feel like you are on the precipice of moving, either moving house, moving jobs, career, but there's definitely movement around you, or you've just moved. This is the person watching the video. This person who is attracted to you and who wants to open up, I think despite all of this that's coming through, winter time is important here. You could have met in winter. Also, chakras is coming up. This is a very spiritual reading, actually. I feel that your spirituality, they feel that, they know that, and it actually will prompt them to heal through their own spirituality and to connect through that. You are very, very cathartic, your energy. Does this mean you have to deal with someone who's wounded? No, because I don't feel they're going to come to you for that. I just feel that the more they get to know you and the more they're around you, that energy rubs off on them and they go on a healing journey. It's a really beautiful thing. You inspire this person and they know that. This will be a long-term connection. Like, this will go the distance. You are going to have an ex pop up and try and cause trouble though, whether it be for you or him. There's an ex that's going to pop up and try and stir the pot, say some stuff. Ignore them because they won't really have any effect on your relationship. I'm just letting you know that.